You bought a TRICO rear wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to remove your old wiper blade and install the TRICO rear blade onto a hook arm. To remove your old blade, lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go. Place a finger in the center of the wiper blade that is located under the wiper arm. Push up on the adapter tab while pulling back on the wiper blade to disengage it from the arm hook. Now that the old blade is removed, it's time to install your new blade. First, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go. Position the blade so it's in the middle of the arm. Lift and push the blade forward until it locks into the hook that is located under the wiper arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.